Hello everyone watching. It's great to see enthusiasm for diving into AI through Python coding. You've embarked on an exciting journey by learning or relearning this versatile language. Python is indeed a fantastic choice for beginners and experts alike in the realms of artificial intelligence, AI. You mentioned API keys, which are essential when working with various AI services like Google Cloud Vision, IBM Watson, etc. These keys grant you access to powerful tools that can significantly enhance your projects without needing deep expertise from scratch right away. However, it's also a good idea to gradually build up those skills and understanding of APIs, as they are fundamental in today's tech landscape for AI development. Given the constraints around API keys, costs and skill level, starting with open source projects or using free tiers provided by some services can be an excellent way forward. This approach allows you to experiment. It sounds like you have a great opportunity ahead with your project, so let's focus on making that leap forward even more impactful by refining your code base for efficiency, readability, and maintainability. Here are some steps to guide you through the process of cleaning up your code. 1. Refactor code into modular components. Divide large functions or classes into smaller ones that handle specific tasks. This makes it easier to understand each part's purpose and facilitates testing, debugging, and future modifications. 2. Improve naming conventions. Choose clear, descriptive names for variables, methods, and other code elements so their purposes are immediately apparent. Follow a consistent naming convention, e.g., camel case or snake case, throughout your project to maintain readability. 3. Optimize algorithms and data structures. Evaluate. It seems like you're referencing LinkedIn, a professional networking platform. However, if this is meant as an informal sign-off or farewell message to the app itself and its users, viewers, here it goes. Take care, LinkedIn. Wishing all of our viewers success in their endeavors.